What's up, y'all? Meline Rose here at the 10th anniversary of Haitian Businesses, and I have the incomparable Dr. Guerda Nicolas. Yes, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling so awesome, so awesome. It is not only is it Resurrection Sunday, but it is the last day of Haitian Women's Month. And where else can we be but at this Haitian Business Woman 10th anniversary event? What better place to be at?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I love that. What does being a Haitian-owned woman business mean to you?
Let me tell you, I grew up with a woman named Charmante Renville. Tigouave qui te kon fè tous pain, tout ça. I see at my own eyes the power of when women are businesswomen.
Yes.
Because when you have a woman who is running her own business, she doesn't just feed herself, she feeds everybody.
Amen.
She's able to bring in lots of people, hire more people, and then communities thrive.
Amen.
So to me, and this is one of the reasons why in Ayiti Community Trust we have a pillar that's entrepreneurship.
Yes.
And right now we are supporting women entrepreneurs in Lagonav, for example, in other places, because we recognize the power
Absolutely.
of women.
Yes.
Girl.
Yeah.
Okay now.
I see that you've been recognized, a certificate of appreciation. How does this make you feel to be recognized in this way?
Let me tell you, anytime that other people within your community can see you, hear you, understand you, connect with you, it's fuel.
Absolutely.
It's fuel that you need. Ou konen machine besoin gaz.
Keep going.
Ah,
Yes.
okay. From your besoin, j'arrête là. They need the encouragement, the support. That is one of the reasons I said to everybody, if a woman have a business, support it.
Absolutely.
Buy it from them. Because the more we do that, the more we're supporting. And the more you send the message that what you're doing matters.
Absolutely.
Right?
Well, thank you so much.
Well, hold on. Let me ask you a question,
Yeah.
Madam. So, yes, it is, after all, women's.
It is.
Okay, and I know you've been doing amazing work within your industry. What message do you have for young women like yourself in this field holding a mic?
Wow. Thank you for putting me on the spot. But I would say to simply believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. I think oftentimes as women, we don't feel encouraged or empowered enough to go after the things that we desire. But by believing in yourself and your voice, if you're seeking to be in the media space, you never know who you can reach. So I would say believe in yourself, and if this is something that you want to do, just start, and people will come, and support you. So start and believe in yourself.
How cool is that? But let me say, one of the things that you do, which is really great, you are consistent.
Thank you.
You are consistent, you show up, and you always show up with excellence. So keep that up, girl. Keep it up.
Thank you. Wow, thank you. I appreciate you. Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate that, because sometimes when we are working to be more consistent or just to show up, we don't realize that people like you are seeing us. So thank you. I appreciate you for seeing me, and congratulations with everything that you've been doing. And thank you so much for celebrating the 10th anniversary of Haitian Businesses with us.
Absolutely, and we celebrate not just this business, but also, let me give a shout out to Flaco. Flaco, gon monsieur qui toujours derrière caméra, la garder, la filmer, la fait. And this is really what I wanna say. There are amazing people in our community doing amazing work that we don't get a chance to see. They are the behind the scene, like the Flacos of the world, who are like filming, making sure everything looks good. We have a chance to change the narrative about who we are. The stories of who you are, the stories of Flaco should be the stories that we are spreading on WhatsApp, that we are highlighting and so forth. And so I am incredibly grateful to all of you to be narrative changers.
Amen.
To help tell a different story
Yes.
about who we are as a people in our country. How exciting is that?
Wow.
Okay, I'm waiting the mic. I'm waiting the mic.
Thank you, Dr. Guerda. You always come with something powerful to say, and I'm always encouraged every time you're around. So thank you so much for gracing us with your presence. Again, congratulations, and yeah, thank you.